Hello everybody, welcome to
Hey kids, let's draw.
Hey Kids, Let's Draw.
I forgot it for a second.
I know, me too. I'm Seth and this is Olivia, Livy, and she is, how old are you?
I'm 9.
9, and today we are in the holiday Christmas season and we are excited to feature another Christmas video. So today we're going to draw what?
An Among Us character wearing a Santa Claus hat.
An Among Us character wearing a Santa Claus hat. What is Among Us? Because I don't really play these video games, but the kids love them. They're always asking to play Among Us. So I'm sure many of you out there know exactly what she's talking about. What is it?
It's a game where you have to do tasks to escape a spaceship, and there are either 1, 2, or 3 imposters that try to come after you and you try to vote them out and let them drift off into space.
Well, that sounds really cool. That sounds like a very holiday, Merry Christmas game. So here you go. Hey kids, let's draw an Among Us character with a Santa Claus hat. Okay, we're gonna do a Santa Claus Christmas Among Us character, it sounds like. Let's do it. So first we're gonna start out with a big oval. An oval goes like this. Big oval. Good job. Now we're going to draw the body coming down. So let's do a big curved line to the foot. Good. This is going to flow right into the foot right here. We're going to go loop. We're going to draw his belly. Belly into the other leg. Good job. Can you believe you're drawing your favorite game? Now we're going to let's go back up here and we're going to draw the Santa hat. We'll start with these
Puffs.
puff line. Curve. Curve. Backwards C is what she said. I like that. So now we're doing U's, a bunch of U's, right?
Yep.
And let's connect the leg to the hat. Feel good?
Yep.
Let's start from the hat. I'm going to come down, connect that leg. Cool? So now we're going to draw this Santa hat. Come over here and do a big curve up. And then a curve down. And we're going to do a curve up. And let's connect this to the hat. Stop right there. And it looks like a folded Santa hat. Do you see how that works? What's on the end of the Santa hat? It's a ball.
A puff ball.
Of puff. Good job. Now Santa has a cool belt. Let's do a rectangle for the buckle and connect the belt over to his side. And do that again over here. You can kind of curve up. Santa's got a belly, right?
Mm-hmm.
And maybe we'll just draw curve down, and this is going to be his white belt area. And it'll show better when we color it. And on Santa, instead of the jetpack the astronauts on the game usually have, let's do a fun, what is it?
Santa sack.
Santa sack. And what does Santa have in the sack?
Presents.
Presents, that's right. Okay, so there's the sack. Let's do a big square right there. And let's do another one up here. presents are just overflowing from this Santa Among Us. How's that looking?
Good.
Cool. Presents usually have ribbons, so let's draw a little ribbon. We'll go down, over, down, over. Kind of like a little T. Okay. And maybe we'll just do a ribbon on that one and a little ribbon over here. And those will come out better when we color it. And now, when we color it, you'll see the highlight. Should we do it in marker?